Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. Today we're looking at the MX Master 3S from Logitech. I'm going to unbox this and we're going to do a little comparison between my regular MX Master 3 and the new 3S. I've seen some videos on this. I picked up the keyboard when that came out alongside this, but I didn't pick up the mouse yet. So I finally decided to pick one of these up just because I had a Best Buy gift card, and I really didn't. That was basically it. But it's supposed to have better scrolling and quieter clicking, which is pretty nice. Very nice presentation. When you open it up, the mouse is just sitting there with the receiver. I don't need to use the receiver because I already have one. I believe this is that's going to be the Bolt receiver. I believe the one I have in my PC is going to be the unifying one. I don't remember if I put the Bolt one from the keyboard in or not. But here is the mouse. Feels about the same as the regular MX Master 3. We do have your USB-C charging cable down there. Again, I already have one for my other mouse, so I'm not going to pull that out or anything. Let me grab my other mouse real quick and bring that over here, and we'll do some little comparisons between the two. Alright, so this one is well used, kind of dirty, got fingerprints and all that kind of stuff, grime on the bottom. But here they are side by side. They basically look about the same. Obviously this one is cleaner. Scroll wheel feels a little bit smoother. I don't know if that's just difference in the mice or just age. Everything else though, about the same. But the biggest difference is going to be the clicking. So this is the 3S right here, and this is the 3. So big difference. If you need to be, working with somebody else, you're in an office or somewhere like that where other people are around, this one is definitely a lot quieter than the regular MX Master 3. So big difference there. I'll try the scrolling out on my computer and see how it is. But other than that, that is the difference right there between the MX Master 3 and the 3S. I'm Colin with Techout. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments section below.